Hi, and welcome to AIMS Academy. I will take you through the install process of AIMS and show you how to register your account, how to install your agents, and really how to get started with AIMS. Firstly, we start off by adding our environment, adding our email, our name, a proper password, and company name, which will be added to the URL in the logon phase. Once we click submit, we will move on to the next phase. Having created our environment, it's time to log in. We simply go to aims.ai and we click on the login button and enter our credentials. Once we have signed in, we are welcomed by a Create Your First Environment tab, which will allow you to create an environment, either test or production. We simply enter a suitable name and the time zone for which the environment should be applied to. In this case, we will choose Copenhagen, Stockholm. Then we confirm. Now it will take anything from a couple of seconds to maximum a minute, and we will see our new environment being created. And here we go. So we click and enter our new environment, and here we'll see a prompt that will give us a little bit of guidance in terms of how you connect your systems, install guides, how to use the SDKs, etc. Clicking on the install guides will take us directly to the AIMS support site. Moving on, we now look at the Windows Server agent and the prerequisites. Now, do keep in mind there are prerequisites connected to the users, admin users, etc. that needs to be in place prior to the install of the agent itself. Moving from that point, we simply go to the AIMS agent download, select the downloads, and identify the Windows Server agent, in this case, that we want to install. From this point, we will be taken into a pretty standard wizard where we add our credentials for the install for the server we wish to install the Windows Server to. Clicking next. Selecting the environment we just created for which the agent should be connected to. We add a new system, as this is a new system to AIMS. At this point, please add the service account and the password connected to this environment. Okay, a summary. Simply clicking next to move on from this point, and the install process will commence. There we go, we are finished. The Windows Server has now been installed, so let's move on and see if we can find the data in the application. Now, we simply go to AIMS, select topology, and on the left-hand side, we can see all of the systems we are monitoring at any time. We have identified the new Windows Server data at the bottom under desktop, and we can further drill down. In this case, we're looking at CPU core. We can drill down and look at charts showing us the performance on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Now, do keep in mind, it will take another 2 weeks for the AI to properly kick in and start defining the automatic thresholds that we really need, and that will give you a lot more value. In the Windows Server, we can also show you a lot of data on services, and in the same manner, you can drill down should you want to do so. Now, let's look at the management dashboard itself, because I just want to to show you how the data pops up in the management dashboard. And at the right hand side in the activity feed, you can see we have a new system added, and it's our new Windows server. That was everything from our end. We hope that you now start to install other agents and start to experience the value of AIMS.